Guys, Alex back here filming another video. Today's November 11th. I think the last time I posted a video was I can't even remember. Was it yesterday? Was it the day before? Friday or Thursday? And I'm happy to report that I just finished my secondstudy.com course. Computer Science Introduction to Networking. I'm not going to show you anything on the inside because I do not want to get in trouble for, leaking inside information. This does give me basically my fourth class mostly done. My last video was on information security. These two classes, I finished all the quizzes. I had 100% on it. And I'm just waiting to see what my assignment is so that I can take the two finals. Ideally, both of these I get 100% on the assignments, and I only need 10% on the finals. These are basically as good as done, assuming I get 100% on the finals. So we'll see. So I now finish this, and the next class is going to be IT Leadership Foundations. And basically, before November 19th, my goal is to finish all 5 of these classes. And also do these 5 classes, and these all have assignments in them. So my goal is to finish all the quizzes, all the assignments, ideally get 100% on both, so I just need 10% on the final for all 5 of these. Going back to the review of this course, if you want more details on that plan, it's in my first video. This class was harder, significantly harder than Network Fundamentals Information Security. You couldn't really just use logic in many cases. This class had like 98 quizzes. I highly recommend not watching the videos. Read the source material. Read it well. Make sure you pay attention as you read, and then Control F, find things. I was able to get like 87 on the first practice test, and I got like 94 on the second practice test. And all I need when you get 100% on the quizzes, all you need is a 55 on the final. I got a 67, which is, now this is only one of 2, the lowest I've gotten. So what I would have done, and I finished it in 2 days, I guess is another thing to say. I started this class literally yesterday, finished it today. It's basically 24 hours is how long this class took me. Probably took me 4 or 5 hours to do of focused work. And looking back, and I said this on my last video, and I'm going to say it again, when it comes to these classes, the practice test is easier than the final. The final has more questions than the practice test. I don't know if I'm allowed to say how many are on both until you enroll, but what I can tell you is that there's more on the final. And I would there are some questions on the final that are on the practice test. So I would probably next time take the practice test at least 3 times, just to try to get exposure to as many questions as possible that may be in the final. But then 3, I might do more of the chapter exams. There's 12 chapters, and each one has 30 questions. So, just to do quick math, 12 times 30, that's a lot of questions. That's 12 times, what can I do math? It's 360 questions. That may or may not be good. But that said, some of the questions are there. So there's a chance that if you simply went through the practice exam like 3 or 4 times, you did all the practice ones, just based off the questions that you've seen through all those, I guarantee you at least 55% of the questions are probably just on there. So that's what I would recommend doing. I passed it. Technically not officially yet because I still need to wait for the proctor, but I didn't cheat, I know that. So assuming nothing goes wrong with her, I passed it. So another one for the books, and I am going to keep on my way. Thank you for watching.